Good morning again, everyone, and welcome back to the KSR YouTube channel. We are rolling into Gainesville Raceway with the early people. We're actually on time today, somehow, because I was at the shop last night till after midnight, and it was a long night. Long night. But we are tired, but we are ready to go. We are ready to go get a run done today. Got to figure out what we're going to do for a tune to not go faster than 750 yet. And yeah, I'm tired. Tired. Will's tired. Will got more sleep than I did, though.
I did. It was in my own bed, and it was great. It was great.
All right, we got to get to work. Maybe we're not headed to the lanes, but we're in the lanes. I thought I missed my call, saw all the radio cars going, so we jumped in the car and now we're stopped. But got my video uploaded to the track, thanks to Gainesville Raceway for letting me use their Wi-Fi. But shoot, boy, I'm tired. Tired. Hopefully we can one and done here, get on the road for Orlando, down the beach. Let's get another run. All right, now we are officially in the lanes, and I assume it'll be a fairly quick track prep, and then we will be making the run. All right, well, I thought they were going to take a little longer to track prep, so I'm behind a little bit here, but we'll be okay. Don't want to rush my safety gear. Tell you what, it got warm today in a hurry.
Yeah, it ran us first, but it is what it is.
Oh, now they're pulling quarantine.
Yeah, I guess you're gonna have to start it and go up. I ain't gonna push fast enough.
Okay.
I'm gonna head up there.
Okay. pretty good pass, but let's have to see what it did. Hopefully slower than a 750, slower than a 750, slower than a 750. 760, sweet. We are on the road. Woo! All right, well, you guys may have noticed that I didn't pull the chute. Been down this racetrack an awful lot, and Gainesville has one of the longest shutdowns in the whole country, if not the longest shutdown in the whole country. So to save myself some time, I decided to skip out on packing the chutes. And we're headed back to the trailer to go get the get loaded up and get on the road. Saying hi to my buddies at the Frank Holly School. Sweet, we are on the road for Orlando. One more day, one more drive. Woo! That I'm good with that. I'm good with that too. Yes, yes. We are on the road for Orlando after a little changeover. All right, well, like you saw in the video, one and done. Will got us turned around. I went and turned the time slip in. We got some sweet pictures from one of the days. I think that's Orlando, looking at the fence. But got the chute out. I've always wanted a parachute out picture, but we don't throw the parachute out very much. And it was a 3 package. See the tire wrinkled up down there. This looks like Bradenton, looking at the grandstands.
Good. That's why they say that.
And then trailer going down the road. How about that? All good wall hangers. But we're on the road for Orlando. Bring you guys a little video of what all we're doing. I know we're going to the scenic route down by the beach. Might stop at Will's condo and take a nap. I don't know, because it's, what time is it now? 11 o'clock. Wow, we're on the road before noon. We might have to get us a good dinner tonight. Oh, you know what? I just jinxed this. That wasn't very smart. Well, if we end up broken down on the side of the road, it'll be my fault. Good. Alright, so we stopped again at the Hoot Owl in Palatka for some ice cream. Checkpoint number 1. Ready to go to checkpoint number 2? Yes, sir. Let's eat lunch there. It's like a beachfront restaurant or something. Yep. Here we go. Just set a time lapse up on the front and the rear. Thought that might be kind of cool. I'll splice it together. See what it looks like. close to A1A, where we turn south to head towards Orlando. Enjoying the drive so far today. People, and we like the beach. In case you guys are wondering, it's just in our backyard. Sorry.
You want to show them my condo?
Well, we have made it to Daytona Beach. Coming down A1A. Not sure if the time lapse has gotten us this far or not. But yeah, A1A going through Daytona. It's pretty much huge hotels for quite a stretch during this part. Actually, Cora had a gymnastics meet somewhere right over here.
Yeah?
Yeah, because we were all up in here for her gymnastics match thing. Yay for traffic! Back in the 60s or 70s, I don't know. It was on the roof of that building. I've actually stayed there a couple of times. It's pretty neat. Is that the main? Main Street. That's International. That goes by. That was right there. Did it take the sign down that said "Welcome to Daytona Beach"? I must have missed it. That was the main, like, road onto Daytona Beach right there. Maybe I caught it on camera. checkpoint of the day. It has been stop and go for like 45 minutes to an hour. It's been a while. It's hot. Check out our temperatures. All doing really good there. We have not shut the car off. Like, this thing is doing amazing when it comes to handling this. It feels like it's pretty hot too. Let's see how hot it is out here right now. It's hot. Current temperature 80 degrees. That's pretty warm. But no problems on the cooling system. The old Delta Pack fan is doing work. I don't even think I have it 100% fan speed until like 210 or 220 degrees. I don't remember. So we're only about 4 miles away from the final checkpoint. And then we can beeline it right to the hotel and try to catch up on some sleep. Let's just say we're gonna do that. So, see you guys at the last checkpoint. All right, well, we have made it to the final checkpoint of SIG Week 2023. And this is it. We're headed to the hotel after this. Probably go get us a good steak dinner. And things have gone fairly well so far. I did get yelled at for like holding the door open for a woman walking into the bar, which I thought was weird. But yeah, we are ready to get back on the road and get out of here. I thought Will was coming. You see him. He's coming, maybe. There she comes. See y'all later. You just want to nose out in this mess. Like that guy's gonna let us out. Checkpoint! You can get excited. Final checkpoint. Yes! You just gotta encourage him. See, he gets excited. I'm driving! Yeah, it's a little hectic getting in and out of that place. But off to Orlando! Alright, well, we have made it to Orlando. Went out and got a decent dinner. Came up to the hotel room. Might have taken a nap. Not gonna lie. And, got SoccerMom kind of tucked down there in her little corner. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Final night of SIG Week, I guess. So we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Can't wait for tomorrow. See if we can put down one more pass and then maybe a bonus pass where the boost gets turned way up. Well, let's say way up. At least 30% up. We'll see. See you guys tomorrow.